water crisis in the national capital, and there's no end to the blame game and politics over the water crisis. Now, BJP has hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party and said that it's their own failures that are leading to this water crisis, and instead they're trying to blame everyone else. While the Aam Aadmi Party government, remember, has said that Haryana is not supplying adequate water. The Supreme Court too had directed the Himachal Pradesh government to release surplus water to the capital and Haryana to facilitate this, as drinking water shortage has become an existential problem in Delhi, is what the apex court said. AAP's Atishi has appealed for more water from Haryana and Himachal, saying she is even, though multiple teams are involved in making sure water is not wasted, she's gone on to say these steps are not enough and that more water needs to be released. She has also claimed that the theft of water is taking place on the Haryana side, which they cannot police. Meanwhile, Himachal Pradesh has also done a U-turn in the Supreme Court and said they have no extra water to release to Delhi. This, as the politics continues, let's just listen into what Atishi said, that where she's urged Himachal and Haryana to give more water.
टैंकर माफिया पे बिल्कुल लगाम कसी जानी चाहिए, चाहे वो हरियाणा के बॉर्डर के पार है, चाहे दिल्ली के अगर इस पार है, तो हम हरियाणा पुलिस से भी कहेंगे, दिल्ली पुलिस से भी कहेंगे लगाम कसे। लेकिन उससे समस्या का समाधान नहीं होगा। इसलिए हमारा सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी आग्रह है, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी हियरिंग है, कि वो हरियाणा और हिमाचल के माध्यम से मात्र अगले 20 दिन के लिए, अभी दिल्ली लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं चाह रही है, अगले 20 दिन की हीट वेव के लिए हम चाहते हैं कि हमें एडिशनल पानी मिले कि दिल्ली वालों की परेशानी
कोर्ट ने कहा कि 2018, 2019 और 2021 में भी इसी प्रकार का संकट आया था। एक दशक से, 10 सालों से आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है दिल्ली में, इन्होंने दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया है और इसीलिए कोर्ट ने फटकार के कहा कि आप इल्लीगल टैंकर माफिया पे कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहे, क्या एक्शन ले रहे हैं? और उन्होंने ये भी पूछा कि पानी की वेस्टेज पर आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
You know, as you're rightly mentioning, in fact, the blame game over the water scarcity here in the national capital continues between both of the governments, be it the Delhi government or the Haryana government. In fact, let me tell you that today a status report was filed by the Delhi government in the Supreme Court, where in fact it has said that it cannot take action on the tanker mafias for the water theft that is happening, because all of that is happening on the side of Haryana. So basically, you know, yesterday we did see how the Supreme Court had pulled up the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government and asked them that why no action has been taken on the tanker mafia so far. On that, today they have replied that, you know, they cannot take action because this is happening on the side of the Haryana border. So, but certainly, you know, when we reported from the Munnak Canal yesterday, Divya, we did see that, you know, it was happening on the Bhavana area where the Munnak Canal is there. Tankers trying to steal the water from the canal, illegally trying to take the water from the canal, after which Lieutenant Governor has also in fact given strict directions to the Delhi police officials to maintain, you know, to do a monitoring around the area. Now, certainly apart from that, as you rightly mentioned, we just heard the, you know, Water Minister Atishi as well. She said, you know, that Delhi needs excess water, especially looking at the heat wave condition that is in fact, you know, going to persist for at least for next 20 days. But the Haryana government on the other side says that it has been releasing water. In fact, it has been releasing more water than what it has been asked to do. So, you know, certainly both of the governments continue to lock horns over this. But one question that we continue to raise here is that Atishi is saying, you know, that the teams have been deployed to look into the water wastage, but we are still reporting over the water wastage, leakages in the pipelines from across the city, and yet no teams that were spotted around the area to come and check on the leakages. So that is something that the questions are going to be raised on the Delhi government and also the officials who are deployed to do that job. Over to you.